As PiNetwork continues to surge in price, the digital currency is increasingly attracting attention from investors and enthusiasts. With its market position rapidly climbing, some speculate that a mention from former President Donald Trump could propel PiCoin to new heights. But if Trump does address PiCoin in one of his upcoming press briefings, could the price skyrocket to $100? Let's take a closer look at the potential implications for PiNetwork's price and the broader crypto market. Trump's crypto recognition. Could PiNetwork be next? President Trump's recent statements about major cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, and XRP have stirred excitement in the market. These cryptocurrencies have consistently ranked among the top in terms of market capitalization, and Trump's recognition of them has brought them to the forefront of his pro-crypto agenda. Now, the question on the minds of many in the crypto community is whether PiNetwork will be the next token to catch Trump's eye. Over the past few weeks, PiCoin has climbed to the 11th position in the cryptocurrency rankings by market cap, and it has been making strides in terms of adoption and social media engagement. PiCoin has even surpassed Ethereum in terms of social following, becoming the fourth most followed cryptocurrency on platforms such as Twitter. Given this momentum, it's not hard to imagine PiNetwork being a topic of conversation during Trump's next crypto briefing. As the token gains more attention and user adoption, particularly in the United States, it could become one of the most prominent altcoins in the market. If Trump mentions PiCoin in his next press briefing, it could trigger a massive rally in its price. Several factors suggest that PiNetwork is well positioned for growth, which could make it an attractive candidate for Trump's pro-crypto agenda. One of the key factors driving this speculation is the rapid adoption of PiCoin in the United States, particularly in the business sector. For instance, Zito Reality, a Florida-based company, recently began accepting PiCoin as a method of payment. This marks PiCoin's entry into the U.S. market, which is valued in the trillions of dollars. PiNetwork's growing presence in the United States has also garnered attention from key industry players and institutions. The PiNetwork is listed in the Stanford Affiliate Program, alongside other notable US-based crypto projects such as Ripple and venture capital firm 16Z. Executives from these companies were also present at the White House Crypto Summit, which further highlights the increasing prominence of PiCoin in the US market. PiCoin continues to establish itself as a viable digital asset in the US. It could soon be recognized as one of the top altcoins in the country. This growing recognition could prompt Trump to mention PiCoin during one of his press briefings, which could, in turn, fuel a surge in PiCoin's price. The potential impact of Trump's mention on PiNetwork's price. Experts have already begun speculating about the potential price impact if President Trump were to mention PiCoin in his next press briefing. According to Grok AI, a crypto analytics firm, PiCoin could see a massive price rally of up to 200% within hours of such an announcement. If the rally extends for a longer period, Grok AI suggests that PiCoin could hit the $100 mark in a matter of days. This price surge would likely be driven by the increased media attention and investor confidence that would follow a mention from Trump. Given PiCoin's growing adoption and its positioning in the market, a public endorsement from the former president could be the catalyst needed to push its value to new heights. PiCoin price surge. Key indicators and technical analysis. As of now, PiCoin is already experiencing a notable price rally. The token has surged by 20% in the last 24 hours, bringing its price to $1.66. This marks a significant recovery after PiCoin faced resistance at the $1.44 mark. With the price now firmly above this threshold, analysts predict that PiCoin could continue to rally in the near term, potentially reaching the 123.6% Fibonacci level at $3.42. Technical indicators are also showing signs of continued bullish momentum. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, stands at 62, indicating that the token is in a bullish zone, with buying pressure remaining strong. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or him-eesh line, is also tipping upwards, suggesting that PiCoin's upward trend could continue in the coming days. The MACD histogram bars indicate that buyers are currently in control, further supporting the bullish outlook for PiCoin. These positive technical indicators suggest that PiCoin could rally past $3 in the short term, and a mention from Trump could drive the price even higher. As PiNetwork prepares for its 6th anniversary on March 14th, investor sentiment is high, and the anticipation surrounding the project's future developments is palpable. Key advancements within the PiNetwork ecosystem, such as a dynamic PiCoin price pegging mechanism, are generating increased interest among investors and the wider crypto community. With these developments and the potential for a mention from Trump, PiCoin could be poised for a significant rally in the coming weeks. If the token continues to gain traction and Trump adds it to his list of recognized altcoins, the price could reach unprecedented heights. Conclusion: the future of PiNetwork and its price potential. The potential for PiNetwork to become a major player in the cryptocurrency space is evident. With its growing adoption, expanding market position, and increasing attention from both investors and institutions, PiCoin could soon be a key asset in the US crypto landscape. If President Trump were to mention PiCoin in an official press briefing, it could serve as a powerful catalyst, driving the price of PiCoin to new heights. Experts believe that a rally could push the price up by 200% in a matter of hours, and possibly reach the $100 mark within days. As PiNetwork continues to develop and gain momentum, it's clear that the future of PiCoin holds great potential for both investors and the broader crypto community. In the coming months, all eyes will be on PiNetwork, its continued adoption, and any potential involvement from key figures like President Trump. If the stars align, PiCoin could become one of the most significant digital assets in the crypto space.